Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jewel Me. In today's video, we'll talk about something really personal but very important, the sexual aspect and the material aspect of the self. Now, when we talk about understanding ourselves, we usually think about our emotions or our thoughts. But the truth is, our identity is made up of many layers, and these two aspects help us see who we are in a deeper way. So let's talk about how these affect our self-understanding and personal growth. Let's start with the material aspect of self. This refers to the things that we own, like our clothes, phone, accessories, or even our favorite spot at home. But these things are more than just objects. They represent our values, preferences, and sometimes even our dreams. For example, the way we dress or the things we buy and how we see ourselves. Owning something special can make us feel confident and secure because it's part of our identity. For me, I've realized that my things aren't just about style or comfort. They carry memories, like my favorite shirt. It reminds me of my achievements, and my journal shows how much I've grown emotionally. So the material aspect isn't about being materialistic. It's about understanding the meaning behind what we value. Now, let's talk about the sexual aspect of self. This isn't just about attraction or romance. It's about understanding our gender identity, emotions, and how we build connection with others. Our sexual self shapes how we express love, affection, and respect, not only to others but also to ourselves. When we understand this aspect, we learn to respect our body, our feelings, and our boundaries. It teaches us self-acceptance and helps us build healthier relationships. For me, exploring my sexual self has helped me know my emotion better and become more confident in who I am. It's about being comfortable with my identity and respecting others for who they are too. This aspect reminds us that everyone deserves understanding, acceptance, and love, including ourselves. So when we put these two together, the material and sexual aspects, we see that they both help us understand who we are inside out. What we own reflects how we express ourselves, the world, and how we love, respect, and accept ourselves through our sexual identity shows how we value our inner self. Both remind us that self-understanding isn't just about our mind or emotions. It's also about our actions, our expressions, and the choices we make every day. So, understanding yourself takes time, and that's okay. What matters most is that we keep learning, growing, and embracing every part of who we are. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this helped you reflect on your own material and sexual self. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more self-discovery and personal growth content. That's all. Bye!